Hello viewers, this is Jagan. You are watching Jagan tutorial. Please do subscribe and share this channel.
Respiration. Today we are going to discuss about respiration. Respiration is a term derived from Latin language. The Latin word is respire. Respire. Its meaning is breathe. Respiration definition is production of energy by using oxygen and food material with the help of some chemical substances in our body is called respiration. This energy is helpful to all living organisms for their survival. Without this energy, organisms cannot survive. But which part? What is the location of this respiration? Final step of this respiration. The respiration final step is cells. Cells. Single cell organism, cell of single cell organism, cells of multicellular organism, animals, cells of plants. All they perform this respiration process. It means all cells in living organisms body require cells for respiration. As we know that after digestion of food material, digested food particles present in the small intestine are transported to all cells by blood. Is it clear? In the same way, after inhalation, oxygen present in the lungs is picked up by blood of blood capillaries and transported to all the cells like food material. In cells, food material and oxygen both react together for the production of energy. This energy is utilized by the cells for various activities, right? One important thing is here, that is percentage of all gases present in the atmospheric air, that is common air, is similar to the gases present in the inhaled air. Inhaled air gases percentage is similar to the gases percentage in common air. But gases percentage in exhaled air is different from inhaled air gases percentage. It means the quantity of some gases present in inhaled and exhaled air are not same. Clear? Why? Because when we inhale the air, all gases present in the air enter into lungs. Are all gases present in the air are picked up by blood? No. Only one gas present in the inhaled air, that is oxygen. This oxygen is picked up by blood of blood capillaries and transported to all the body parts. Remaining all other gases present in the inhaled air are not picked up by blood. They are present in the lungs, right? After that, carbon dioxide present in the all cells is picked up by blood and transported back to the lungs and added to the inhaled air. Inhale air with less amount of oxygen. Then carbon dioxide concentration is increased to inhale air. It comes out as exhale air. This is the reason why gases percentage in inhale air and exhale air is different. Here I repeat once again. Oxygen present in the inhaled air is picked up by blood and transported to all body parts. Hence, oxygen percentage in inhaled air is decreased, and it is less compared to the oxygen percentage in common air. After that, carbon dioxide present in the all body parts is picked up by blood and transported and added to the inhaled air. Then carbon dioxide percentage is increased. This inhaled air with excess amount of oxygen come out as exhaled air. This is the reason why inhaled and exhaled air gases percentage is different. Next, respiration. Respiration involves 5 steps or 5 events. They are 5 steps in respiration. Events in respiration. First one is breathing. Second one, gases exchange at lungs level. Third one is gases transportation. Fourth one, gases exchange at tissue level. Fifth one is cellular respiration. First, breathing. Breathing means inhalation and exhalation. Entry of gases present in the air into our body and exit of gases present in the exhale air to out. This is breathing. Next, gases exchange at lungs level. After inhalation, gases enter into lungs. From here, only oxygen is transported from lungs to the blood of blood capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide present in the blood of blood capillaries are entered into lungs. So both are exchanging. Exchanging of gases takes at lungs level. This is second step. And third one is gases transportation. After receiving of the oxygen from lungs into the blood transport this oxygen to all body parts. And here gases transportation. It means one more gas is also transport. Is it clear? Oxygen is transported from lungs to all body parts and returning of carbon dioxide from all body parts to the lungs by the same blood. 2 gases are transporting. Next, fourth one is gases exchange at tissue level. Oxygen is transporting by blood to all body parts, tissues where oxygen is received, and at the same time carbon dioxide present in the tissues or cells is received by blood back. It means both gases are exchanging here, where at tissue level. Next, fifth one is the cellular respiration. This is final step, energy production step. For this purpose, so for cellular respiration, oxygen, food material, namely glucose, and some other chemical substances are required to occur this process. This process takes place in all cells. Cells receive oxygen and food material, where cellular respiration through series of steps, chain of steps occur for production of energy. Along with this energy, carbon dioxide and water molecules are produced. These are treated as byproducts. Actually, cellular respiration is only for the production of energy, but waste materials are also produced. They are carbon dioxide and water.